eat here again. Ako, may pang-premiere na naman. Oh, there's a show, Kuya Jay. What? Wow. Wow, there's a show. So maybe on the other bridge, Cedar, what is she doing? They're offering. Nice. Wow, what is that? Chopstick. What's that? No more. Nasaan yung kasama ko? Hindi ko. I-film ako. Where are we? Naku.
Dito yun.
Marina yun.
Oo nga. You're gonna end up there.
Going to ano? Fisherman's Bay.
Hindi, wala naman
It's so nice to be a passenger in the back. I'm third wheeling. The lovers are in the front. Look. Nice. I'm just showing them Canada. Look at the houses. Oh, Canada is like very clean surroundings. People wants to see what's Canada look like.
Pwede sila maglakad nga. Nalakad nga niya yung...
So they don't have to park.
Oh, we're sure.
Bakit may bayad na yun?
Yung tayong dalawa na gano'n lang.
Yeah.
May bayad na daw?
Si Grace. Asawa ni Papa. Si Grace, yan.
Oh, nasa video ko. That guy on the corner? Huh? Oh. We're very lucky to have a parking right away as soon as we got here. One is leaving and then we took that parking spot. Download the Okay, oh my goodness. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Magdikit naman kayo. Magdikit talikod. Nakatalikod. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Ay, naka. Maingit tuloy ako. Wala akong kayakap. We got here very late. Oh, so ba yun? Not a lot of people on the beach anymore. So everybody. Naku, naiihi ako. They went home already. Wash them yan? It was a nice weather.
Abunan nila na ano, ng buangin.
Ew, di wag ka pumunta dyan. You're gonna have to walk on the other side where the lighthouse. But it will take 10 minutes to get there. So just
Kaya pinagbawal ng tent eh. Yung
parang mas maganda sa Osho Hotel.
Okay,
We're just gonna go pass by there later.
No?
So,
Pinunta dati na na.
mm-mm.
Ito na lang pumunta tayo. Wala pang bayan ng parking.
Yeah.
pinakamaganda yun.
Cowboard, we went there too.
Ang lit-lit naman.
Ang liit pala to.
Pero dire-diretso yan. Hanggang doon sa Asia.
Hanggang sa may amin.
Yeah.
Mas maganda sa Lakeview.
Yeah, maganda yung sa may amin.
Doon tayo nagpunta.
At saka mas maraming may makikita doon. No?
Pang anong tawag yun? Lighthouse?
Mm-mm.
Layo-layo na nag-isa. Ang ganda doon sa Lakeview.
Ano ba kalabot yung tubig?
Ito ka, magpapag.
No, kapantalon ako eh. No? Kaya
Ayun, patataas mo.
ito lang nakaikot.
Here.
Harap ka naman dyan sa araw.
Dito.
Wala kasi bango tayo.
Dito. Kuya Jay. Yay!
Okay lang. Okay din na rin yung
Putulin din ni Kuya yung ano, yung taas ng yung hairs kasi tumataas na. Sabi ko kayo. Tumatami pinakakain nila oh. Saan? Oh. Kunti na lang ang tao.
Ano ka, doon ka na lang sa Lakeview. Mas maganda pa kayo sa dito.
Tayo.
Kaya tayong dalawa.
We're just walking by the beach. Dala, picture, picture. Okay, likes it. That's good. Enjoy it. Dito kayo, dali.
Wala tayong regalo.
No, nagregalo ako. Wow, look at that. We're done walking already. Kasi naging ano kanina po, 45 yata.
Wala ka talaga.
Nakalimutan ko eh. Doon pa ako dumaan. Oddly. Oh, maganda naman dito yung mga bahay na yun, ano? I like it.
Maganda na yun.
It's nice houses.
Pero kahit na kung dyan ka rin nakatira, by the lake, ano?
Mahal pa rin yun yeah.
Titignan natin kung magkano
Diba yung si Shamila, ganyan yung kanyang bahay ni. Lalakarin mo lang yung bay.
Mahal pa rin yung mga yan.
Really?
Yeah.
Yo, malapit sa south side lang yung mahal.
Yung bahay
Ayan
na.
na Lucy.
Ay, oo. Anong number nito? Titignan ko magkano ang bahay.
Number 788. 788 and 788. Ano ito?
788? Okay. Oh my gosh.
Ay,
Done our
Seriously, Kate? Pakala mo, Helen Tagorda,
Now, look at the
69.
sky.
Ako gumawa nun eh.
I'm on my way home and I will see you on my next vlog again. Okay, guys? I have some videos that I haven't posted yet, so just stay tuned for that one. All right. Look at this beautiful sky. Tomorrow is gonna be sunny as well, so it's gonna be a nice long weekend. Alrighty. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.